Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Matic continues to hold above a very significant area of support at around the $0.4874 mark, and we are also seeing a massive breakout to the upper side. And starting my analysis by first sharing my long-term Elliot wave analysis here on the charts, you can see that back in 2020 we saw our lows down there before we saw that massive bounce to the upside in a move that gave us all-time highs above the $2.98 mark, in a move that I have been terming is the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure where we have been correcting to the lower side in this ABC corrective move into the minimum target areas for the second wave highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that I came up with using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the lows that we made back in 2020 to the all-time high, giving me a minimum target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.88, and that is between the $1.467 mark and the $0.3474 mark. And there are high chances that Matic has now given us a low in the formation of that wave 2, and once the bull market starts, we can see another impulse to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And assuming that we now have a low in place for the second wave at around the $0.32 mark, then using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $5.1 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that is Polygon Matic to do in the formation of that wave 3 before we can expect a pullback in the formation of this wave 4, and then continue gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 5 to the upper side. And zooming out on the zooming in on the charts to now give you my short-term target areas and areas that Matic needs to continue holding. You can easily see that here on the daily chart we have that significant area of support at around the 0.48, that is at around the $0.49 mark, where we have been seeing significant bounces after touching that significant area of support. You can see that we have like 3 touches over here, and finally this week we have seen another bounce, and there are chances that in the next coming hours we can easily see a break above the $0.6 mark, where we have our next key area of resistance, and a break above the 0.6 with a retest. We can easily continue gearing up and get above the $0.65 mark. We also need to have in mind that since 0.6 area is acting as an area of resistance, we can also get rejected at that key area of resistance. And in case such a movement plays out, then I will be expecting another pullback where we can easily get another test of that significant area of support at around the $0.49 mark. And this move is also fully dependent on what BTC continues to do, because in case we see a pullback on the BTC chart, then ultimately I'll be expecting another pullback here on the Matic chart. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on. Continue keeping your eyes on a break above the $0.6 mark with a retest, and also a rejection in case we don't see a break above that key area of resistance. And I hope to see you in my next video.